Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like such a newbie doing another video. It's been like a month since I recorded anything at all, but I have been enjoying my life so much in Lisbon. It's just been so amazing. But today I have another event, charcuterie and sunset event at this park here in Lisbon. And basically a whole bunch of us, the Black expats, people of color group, is all meeting up, and we're bringing, wine, snacks, charcuterie boards. I know I'm butchering that name, but I'm on my way out right now. I need to find cheese, I need to find meat, I need to find like all, the whole nine to set up this board. I never did a board before. I'm so inspired by my cousin Ray Ray, who's always posting her board. So I'm gonna take you along on the adventure. But first, I'm totally bumming it today. Like, I didn't even do my hair. I got a hat on, I got like a matching shirt. But let's get into it. So I have been pretty much everywhere, all over Lisbon. I haven't been every place, but I literally have been doing something every single day, and it's just so amazing. It's just like a different feel coming from Merida and coming to Lisbon, Mexico or Central America, North America to Europe. It's just like a totally different feel. But what I'm not getting used to is walking up and down all these hills. It's just like, it's crazy. One hill could be like a little slope, and then the other hill could be like a straight drop. These are some of the steps that you have to walk down. Walking down is not the problem. It's actually walking back up to get to where you need to be is what I hate about my only gripe, really, because I'm out of shape and it's just horrible having to walk up these stairs. Okay, I just got in the metro, so you want to make sure you have a metro card, and I'm going to show you what that is. I just need to get through this little swiper thing so I can show you this. You're going to need a card like this. My picture's so horrible, I'm not even going to show it anymore. It's actually a photo I took for my visa, and I was just too lazy and too cheap to really get it professionally done, and not a lot of places in North Carolina knew how to do European sizes. So Mackenzie took the photo, and when we got it printed, it was just horrible. So I just used that. You're going to need that if you're going to be here for a month or longer. It's like 30 euros, and you can take as many rides or trains as you want. Off at the station, I am on my way up to try and find this market that I never been to before. I saw the market is actually right behind me. I don't even know what side it's on, but we're gonna start heading in that direction now. Okay, so I'm in this market right now, and there's like so much going on. I'm just looking for cheese, maybe? Cheese, some meat to cut and put on this board. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I need to go hop on Google real quick to figure out my list, because I should have did that before I came. All right, so I got a few things. I was expecting it to be way bigger than what it was. I need to go find some cheese. They had cheese, but I didn't know. I couldn't even translate any of that cheese, and I don't want to buy nasty, stinky cheese. So I'm going to try and find a Portuguese market, like a supermarket that's in this area, so I don't have to really backtrack too far, but I'm just gonna walk around and see what I can find real quick. All right, so this is the name in another store called Continente. I think that's how you say it, and I'm gonna go in here and find some more stuff. Okay, so that lady's dog literally waited for her outside the store. She was right in front of me, and when she came back, her dog greeted her. Like, I wish I had that loyalty with my dog. He would have been like down the street, somebody's house by now, if I let him outside like that. I kind of feel like I got everything. I really don't want to spend any more money. I spent like 30 bucks, maybe 30 euros, 35 euros, which is probably like 5, 10, 15, like $45 maybe. So now I'm going to catch a train back, or the metro back. I'm actually right by another station, so I'm gonna just catch this one. I'm gonna go back, and then I'm going to continue filming later on, showing you guys my charcuterie board, and then I am going to go to the park and show you guys the event tonight. So I just woke up from my nap. I am still extremely tired. I don't even think I took a nap, but I have all my ingredients right there behind me. Oh my gosh, shut up, Mackenzie. I'm about to put this thing together. Hopefully it comes out nice. I'm about to like search Pinterest to see how to make it like super beautiful. Okay, so we made it to the Alameda Park. I know I'm butchering that name, but there's a beautiful fountain behind me. And this is where we are going to watch the sunset this evening. So now we're gonna meet up with some of my friends. We have our charcuterie board, and we're about to walk up this hill just a little bit to find where they're at.
I have, you know, some of it is something in the grass just like pokes me.
This was my one board right here, and then my other board is over there. Delicious. So we are up here on top of the hill. You can see like my face is glowing. It's so beautiful.
The name is different from this name, but it's called.
So I'm here with some of the other women. A few of the other women are coming. They're running a little late, you know, CP time. But I'm just enjoying the view. But this is a great place to come if you want to watch the sunset and you just want to see everything and get a nice view of the city. Then definitely come here. Mackenzie says hi. You know, I was like, okay. It's free. There's always a ton of people here. Come out here, bring your wine, bring your charcuterie board, and enjoy yourself. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. So I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I will catch you guys in the next one. So, bye.